Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And today it's going to be APPH. And what made it great? Well, listen, Steve Gomez, who comes up with the trade of the week every single week, pretty difficult to do, to try to zero in on one stock. He came up with this one, and of course, Tuesday, when it was a holiday, and the trigger point was $3.80. Okay. So this stock today got up to 484. I mean, that's a tremendous percentage move, and it may have some more in it. Now it's starting to fail a little bit here. What I'd be watching for, I think the 200-day moving average is, I want to say it's around 450 or so. So as long as it holds that 200-day moving average, it could still be in for another move. But to come up with one trade as a trade of the week, and to come up with this one, I think was fantastic. And a big shout out to Steve Gomez at Trade Ideas for coming up with these every single week. All right, guys, I want to get back into the room. So I'll open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock. Have a great weekend. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.